Daddy, what does sustainable mean?
Sustainable? Well, sustainable is a word we use to describe a system that uses its resources in such a way that the resources are never depleted.
What do you mean, Daddy?
Let me explain. Imagine a community garden. People use a community garden for a variety of reasons that relate to sustainability. Growing your own food helps save you money, which is a form of self-sustainability economically. But also it helps reduce your carbon footprint, which helps the environment be sustained. And people who use a community garden will also often share their food, which makes good friendships and thus good community bonds, a form of social sustainability, if you will.
Have you ever worked in a community garden?
I have.
Really? You have?
Yes. A group of colleagues and I cooperated together to help restore an old community garden to its former glory. We all work together. We all work together with vigilance and unity, and I also helped by motivating the others with the occasional "good job, team" to make sure they knew they were doing a good job. Though I remember the first few colleagues who did the first task designated by the supervisor. They jumped right on it and leading us and motivating the rest of us to help and serve the garden.
Wow, Daddy, you're great.
Indeed. Now, let us get some ice cream.
Yay!
Thanks for watching my video. I forgot to mention how I can use the skills later on in future employment. The two skills I had picked were cooperate and motivate. Cooperation is important because I will be working as part of a team in my future employment, and I will be motivating my team to keep them working efficiently. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Nicole for helping film.